Whoa. Whoa.
That's like sideways.
Please. That looks kind of like it inside the dandelion or something. Those just look like you're looking into the inside of a porthole. Whoa. Here comes one. Whoa. Well, I didn't see where they came from. I like those because they showered in it. See, they don't touch anything, Daddy. Cool. Like right when they're like, did you see them? Like 30 feet before they touch the ground, Daddy. I'm pretty sure they disappear because as you can see, look, it's fading away. Are you gonna send this to people?
Yeah.